Hey there, welcome back. I'm Liz, and on this channel, we talk about how to conquer cravings and heal emotional eating for good. If you've ever found yourself reaching for cookies after a stressful day or finishing an entire bag of chips without even realizing it, this video is for you. Today, we're uncovering the 5 hidden reasons why you might be struggling with emotional eating. And trust me, it's not about willpower, discipline, or just loving food too much. There's a lot more going on beneath the surface, so let's dive in. The first hidden reason is that emotional eating is your body's way of coping with stress or overwhelming emotions. When you're feeling anxious, lonely, or sad, food becomes a quick and reliable source of comfort. It's like a warm hug for your brain. This isn't about weakness or lack of control. It's a survival mechanism. Your brain seeks out something to soothe the discomfort, and food is easy, accessible, and socially acceptable. It's no wonder it becomes your go-to. The second reason is tied to your body's stress hormones, specifically cortisol. When you're under stress, your brain triggers the fight, flight, freeze response. Cortisol floods your system and your body starts craving quick energy sources like sugar and fat and salty foods to fuel you through the perceived danger. This is why you might find yourself craving chocolate, pizza, or chips when life gets overwhelming. It's not just about the taste, it's your body trying to restore balance. But the problem is that the relief is only temporary and the stress often returns. The third hidden reason is emotional triggers rooted in your past or childhood. Many of us were conditioned to associate food with comfort, celebration, or even love. Think back. Did a parent give you a treat to cheer you up when you were sad? Did family gatherings always revolve around food? Over time, this connection becomes ingrained. So now as an adult, you're feeling down or overwhelmed. Your brain might still think food will make this better. These patterns are deeply rooted, but the good news is that they can be rewired. The fourth reason is unprocessed emotions or unresolved trauma. Emotional eating often isn't about the food itself at all. It's about numbing or distracting yourself from feelings that feel too painful or too overwhelming to face. Even if you're not readily aware that this is what's happening. For example, if you've experienced rejection, loss, or trauma, food might become a way to temporarily stuff down those emotions. But the more we avoid dealing with them, the more emotional eating becomes a default response to stress or pain. And the fifth hidden reason is something I like to call the diet mindset trap. When you've spent years dieting, restricting, or labeling certain foods as bad, it creates a cycle of deprivation and binging, and often shame associated. Emotional eating often thrives in this cycle because diets ignore the emotional and psychological side of eating. The more you tell yourself you can't have something, the more appealing it becomes. And when you finally give in, guilt often follows, which is followed by shame, which can trigger even more emotional eating. It's a vicious cycle. Raise your hand if you've been there with me. So now that we've uncovered these 5 hidden reasons, what can you do about them? The first step is awareness. Just recognizing these patterns is incredibly powerful, and from there, you can start taking steps to heal. One of the most effective tools I recommend is EFT tapping. This is a powerful technique that helps you calm your nervous system, release emotional triggers, and rewire your brain's response to stress and cravings. By addressing the root causes, you can finally break free from emotional eating. So let's quickly recap the 5 hidden reasons why you struggle with emotional eating. One, it's a coping mechanism for stress and emotions. Stress hormones like cortisol drive cravings. Emotional triggers from the past shape your relationship with food. Unprocessed emotions or trauma lead to using food as a distraction, as a way to numb. The diet mindset trap creates cycles of deprivation and binging, also guilt and shame. Each of these reasons is valid and understandable, but none of them are permanent. With the right tools and support, you can heal your relationship with food and with yourself. So if this resonates with you and you're ready to take the next step, I invite you to check out my free mini course on breaking free from emotional eating. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you get started today, and the link is in the description below this video. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.